Hello, hello, Wicked Penny here. It's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. I've had a couple interviews lately. Prospects are getting better. I got the window open. It's 60 degrees out. I'm getting so pumped for the summer because, you know, in Buffalo, we don't have springs anymore. We go right from friggin' miserable to beautiful. No in between. So anyway, I got my boy Easy's hat on today because I'm whipping up an easy peasy potato side dish recipe. Not gonna lie, I've never made it before, but a lot of people like it, so I thought I would give it a try myself. I tweaked it a little to my liking, and I was shocked to discover on Pinterest many recipes, they're called funeral potatoes. How morbid is that? Like, they serve these only at funerals? I mean, I've had them everywhere, but I don't think I would call anything funeral related ever. So whoever tagged that on their recipe card, they need to be read for filth. So anywho, 13 by 9 pan, guys. I'm going to bend you down in a sec. This isn't hard at all. I'm using a spray. Okay? Everything is one bowl. Then it's going to turn into one pan. Poppy right in the oven. 32-ounce bag of Southern style hash brown potatoes, the little square ones. This is all I've ever had at a party. And put it in your big bowl. Your big bowl. Okay. Calls for a can of cream of chicken soup. Now, in a couple recipes that I spied a little bit, it called for cream of mushroom. Maxwell would never eat this if there was cream of mushroom soup in it, and he loves these. It also said substitute it for like a cream of the cheddar cheese soup. So that's what I'm using, okay? And I'm going to cut back a little bit on the shredded cheese. It calls for 2 cups. Onion. Guys, I didn't have an onion. I have red onion, but I couldn't put that in here. And my freezer onions were all out. So I hydrated some freeze-dried onions. I like minced onion in my recipes to begin with. Gives it the flavor, but they're nice and teeny tiny. Okay? Then it calls for 16 ounces. Look at this, guys. How gross, right? But I guess it's creamy deliciousness because I've had them and I'm I fancy them. Okay, all right, that's it. Then it calls for a little salt and pepper to taste. Ooh, my oven's nice and hot and ready. I'm gonna put a little pepper. Yay. Little salty salt. I'll put the amounts in the description. It's just like that. Guys, and that's it. You have to just incorporate everything together. The 2 soups doesn't call for eggs or milk or anything of the sort. Nothing else. I mean, look how cheesy, though, with that using that cream of cheddar soup. You know, I think we might like it. So it calls, like I said, for 2 cups of cheddar or shredded cheddar. Ooh, in there. He absconded from the bowl. Little bastard. Okay. It almost kind of looks like a potato salad, guys. For real. So I didn't have any cheddar in the house. Okay, poor me. And so I'm using what I got, guys. I got some shredded Gouda. Look at that. The dumpy dump. It's about 3/4 of a cup in there. I got a little Mexican style taco left over. It's fine. And I'm going to dump that in there. I'm going to skip the parm for now because this looks like plenty. All right. Now, after baking, it calls for, while you're baking, to sprinkle some more on and pop it back in the oven. I am not going to do that. Instead, let's get this in there. Oh my God, guys, this makes a lot of potatoes. Holy moly. We're going to be eating this shit for days. But look how easy was that, right? Look. And you just put it in your greased pan. Spread it out nice. Turny turn. Spready spread. Look at this. Right? Even out. Nice and even, Steven. Look at that. Oh, I know you guys hate that. It is very annoying on videos, too. Ooh, I'll squish that. Okay. I like my pan nice and neat. Guys, it goes in the oven, 350 degrees for 45 minutes, uncovered. At the right time, I'll put it in the description, I'm pulling it out, and I'm not going to put more cheese on it. Some people use corn flakes or potato chips. I think I'm going to go with the panko. I got a little panko in here, and I'm going to try that on my potatoes. Before I pop it in, I'm going to sprinkle the top with a little more pepper. A little tad bit of salt. I probably should have tasted it, but I like to add salt at the end, to be honest with you. So, popping it in. When it's golden and bubbly and yummy, I'll pull it out. We'll have a little tasty taste of the cheesy goodness. I'll be right back. Don't go away. Hello, hello. I am back. And they are done. Guys, after I turned off the video earlier, I went and sat down and re-looked at my recipe, and I forgot an ingredient. It was a 1/4 cup of melted butter. So all I did is I poured it over the potatoes and I stirred real good. I would always suggest that when after you make something, double check. Sometimes it can still be fixed. I just went in my head, I'm like, no milk, no liquid of any kind. So I took it out. I told you before that I put on the panko, nice and golden brown. Look at this. Guys, it is all super hot. Oh my God, I need a bigger spoon, I think. We need a bigger spoon. What am I gonna use? Okay, I'll put this here. Here's my bowl. All right. Oh, guys, these look so good, look. Oh, and I'm gonna admit it, I never was a fan. And now I am. I really do like them a lot. And you know what? I'm going to even put a little chive on mine. You know, I put those little onions instead of parsley. Put a little chive on. Let me put you up. And we'll have a little taste. Guys, you know what I always burn my mouth. I'm just going to give it 1 sec. Got a little beer. I got to admit, Guinness has grown on me. I should be a spokesgirl. I could have never eaten this. Guys, look. Steamy, steamy. Oh my God, look. Crunchy. Oh my God. Let me take a better look. Let me see. Look at this. Now, isn't that the money shot? Oh my God. All right, going in. Oh my God, you know. Guys, that cheddar cheese. I don't think I've ever, like my sister-in-laws make these. I don't think they use cheddar cheese. Hot, creamy, cheesy. You saw 1 bowl, dumpy dump. My God, we're having these with some Salisbury steak today. The boys are going to be in heaven. Well, one more look. Guys, give it a try. I'm sure many of you have. I wouldn't call them funeral potatoes. I'd call them Wicked Penny, cheesy, crunchy, yummy taters, right? Everybody have a great day. Cheers. Peace, peace, peace.